Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar gained 0.6% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The CCI indicates an overbought market. The gold-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The oil-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Dow reached an all-time high of 40,000 for the first time as investor hopes of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve were buoyed by data showing inflation slowdown, as well as strong corporate earnings results. Venture capital funding rounds are soaring as the crypto bull market is back and firing on all cylinders. Crypto venture firm Aquarius announced the launch of a $600 million multi-strategy liquidity fund to help blockchain foundations and ecosystem projects boost on-chain liquidity. The dollar rose after data showed US import prices increased 0.9% last month, a jump that raised concerns the Federal Reserve's fight to tame inflation is not yet done and could delay plans for policymakers to cut interest rates.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17 GMT, the Austrian's HICP at 7 GMT, the Eurozone's harmonized index of consumer prices at 9 GMT. The Portuguese current account balance will be released at 10 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 1930 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.